Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to change keyboard languages on an iPhone. Keyboard languages are important. Sometimes we need to communicate in different languages using our phone. Also, we need to finish up writing documents in different languages. Therefore, multi-language is necessary in our phones. So let's see how we can change keyboard languages while typing. To change keyboard languages on an iPhone, open an app where you can type. We choose this app as you can see in the screen. Tap where you can enter a text. Suppose we choose it. Then touch and hold the globe at the bottom of your keyboard. Tap the language you want to use and start writing. So, this is how you can change languages on an iPhone. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.